Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Token of Fidelity in Dark Souls 2. The easiest way to obtain a Token of Fidelity is by assisting another player in defeating a boss. Simply place your white sign soapstone near a boss fog gate and wait to be summoned. Successfully helping them will reward you with 1 Token of Fidelity. This method is reliable and can be repeated as often as needed. Another way to earn a Token of Fidelity is through player versus player combat. If you're a member of the Brotherhood of Blood, you can win a duel in their arena. Alternatively, use a red sign soapstone or a cracked red eye orb to invade another player's world and defeat them. A successful victory will also grant you 1 Token of Fidelity, offering a more aggressive approach. Once you've collected some Tokens of Fidelity, you'll want to know where to use them. These tokens are primarily offered at the Blue Sentinel's Covenant altar. This altar is found within the Cathedral of Blue, accessible after defeating the old Dragon Slayer. Offering tokens here helps you progress through the Blue Sentinel's Covenant, unlocking new rewards and abilities. To efficiently farm Tokens of Fidelity, focus on placing your white sign soapstone in areas with high player traffic or popular boss fights. Bosses like the Ruined Sentinels or the Looking Glass Knight are often good choices. Using the small white sign soapstone can also lead to quicker summons, allowing you to earn tokens more rapidly. Happy hunting, and may your Covenant rank soar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.